important. Now, one more thing before ending the session, back-to-back lectures are being put. I don't know, 90% of the people are not watching it, and you are just watching MCQ series. Whether it's whichever year, especially 2022, if you don't start watching now, okay, even see next 2 days lectures are already scheduled, and like that, back-to-back, I think minimum 3 to 4 lectures per day we are doing. That too, not like other channels where they are simply putting some 2-minute series or mini series or some unwanted junk. It is actually proper full lectures. Okay, we are doing geography textbooks, all the textbooks. See, new textbook is starting tomorrow. Society lectures we are doing, post independence lecture we are doing, ethics lecture we are doing. Meaning your prelims and mains complete preparation can be done for free in this channel, and which is happening only in this channel in this country. So please don't waste this opportunity, because no one is supporting us. I know the subscriber count is like stuck. Okay, it's not even moving. 52.4 subscribers is there since many months. Okay, you people, if you don't support, you are losing out an opportunity. We can simply pick this and put it in an app and give it to you in a paid course. Okay, we can charge like other channels like 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. We can also charge and make money, and we are doing it free of cost. And if you don't support us, it's very, very a sad thing. Okay, so please see to it that you just hit subscribe. Okay, hit subscribe and ask more people to subscribe, even from your family or relatives. Just hit subscribe and make this channel visible, make more people know about it. Okay, else you are going to lose something, and you are going to pay for this like every other institute you are paying. Okay, so I'll wind up this. Please hit subscribe. That is the only request, so that we can keep this channel running. I'll come with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.